request by Allah sir. The skill's name is Failure of Success.
Hello.
Feb 2004 placement season. Every year, this is a time when many fates are written. Same is the case with Maitri Management School. Every year, this business school places about 95% of the students. This year has been no different. But what about those rest 5%? Has anybody ever thought about them? What is their future? What do they do with their degrees? Why don't they get jobs? So let's join one of the interviews and find out why.
Next.
May I come in, sir?
Yeah, come in.
Oh, thank you, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Introduce yourself.
Introduce. Sir, my name is Vishal Mahendra Sharma. So that is my full name. My name is Vishal Sharma. My pet name is Tinku, sir. And I was born on this earth in 1978, sir. And since the time I've been born, sir, I've been studying, sir. 18 years I've been studying, sir.
Okay.
Very hard.
Okay.
Sir,
Okay.
only half introduction. Okay, sir.
What is your specialization?
Specialization? Sir, dual specialization, sir. I've done dual specialization. Sir, I know marketing, I know IT, I know finance also, sir. Every semester we have 6 finance subjects. 6 4s are 24. So I've done finance also. Therefore, I know marketing, IT, finance. Therefore, your company needs marketing, I'll do. IT, I'll do. Finance, I'll do. What do you exactly want?
Understood.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Then define marketing.
Marketing. Marketing is Kotler.
Kotler.
Very nice book, sir.
Excellent.
That Kotler, sir, that first page, marketing is a process. So process, there are many things, sir. 10 things. Goods is there, service is there, customer is there,
Yes.
satisfaction is there, everything is there, sir.
Okay, okay.
This is it is a process, sir.
Understood. Vishal. Vishal. Understood.
Okay, okay, sir.
What kind of job are you looking for?
Job?
Yeah.
Normal job, sir. Not much requirements. Sir, I just want a cabin, sir. Not more than
You
that.
need a cabin.
Yes, sir. And I want AC in the cabin, sir. Now you see, my institute is fully air conditioned. I got used to AC now. So therefore, I need a AC. In case your company cannot provide it, I'll manage with the fan. So one more quality, sir.
Oh.
I adjust to things very well, sir.
Yeah,
And,
I am saying.
thank you, sir. Sir, one more requirement. I need a secretary, sir.
So you need a
Yes, sir.
secretary.
And preferably a woman, sir.
Okay.
And one more
Okay,
preference.
thank you, Vishal.
Good looking women, sir.
Okay.
Sir, marketing is the process by which, sir.
Understood.
Sir, job pakka na, sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
Next.
May I come in, sir?
Come in.
Hello, sir. How are you, sir?
Fine, thank you. How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
What's your name?
My name is Kalyani, but you can call me Kalis.
Oh. What's your specialization?
So I've done my specialization in systems.
Okay. Then let's start with the basic of C.
Sure.
What is C?
You mean C language?
Yeah.
So C stands for customer.
Oh.
So C language is language for customers.
Okay. Then what is C++?
C++. So customer satisfaction and customer delight.
Customer satisfaction. What about Oracle?
Oracle, I've heard it somewhere. Is it opposite to miracle or something like that?
Wow, excellent. Have you any idea about VB?
Yeah, VB I'm sure. Values and benefits.
Oh, okay. I'm really confused, Kalyani. Have you specialized in marketing or systems?
Actually, sir, I always wanted to go for marketing, but my college didn't give me, so I had to go for systems. But I always used to attend classes of marketing.
Oh, excellent. Then you are specialized in systems, but you are attending marketing classes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then what type of value addition you can do for a company?
Value addition.
Yeah.
A lot, sir. Sir, I can market your systems and I can manage your systems through marketing.
Oh, excellent, excellent. I understood.
So can I get the job, sir?
Okay, thank you.
Okay,
Kalyani.
sir.
We'll be in
Thank
touch.
you. Have a nice day, sir.
Can you start, man? So much so for the interview. Let's see what do they do in their GD.
Good morning, friends.
Morning, sir.
Okay, Mr. Gentleman. Hello, gentlemen. Please take it. Please, yeah. Today the topic of group discussion is HPCL and BPCL disinvestment. Okay, please listen. And the time allowed is 5 minutes, and your time starts now.
Sir, I feel the country should disinvest in people who are against disinvestment.
That is my point, sir. Sir, I have a point, sir. HPCL and BPCL are both brothers. Because HPCL is also male name and BPCL is also a male name.
No,
So
sir.
they are both brothers.
Sir, I disagree with this point, sir. HPCL and BPCL are not brothers, sir. They are actually sister concerns. You see, HPCL, BPCL. PCL is common. H and B are different. That is the thing with girls. Therefore, they're sister concerns.
Sir, as per the market situation, HPCL and BPCL, if they both marry, then it would be very good for the...
Objection, sir.
Even I want to say something now.
Sir, in the first point, my friend has stated that HPCL and BPCL are brothers. Now my friend is saying that HPCL and BPCL should get married. Sir, according to the Indian legislative, two brothers cannot get married. Therefore, this is a wrong thing, sir. That is what I'm saying, sir.
Two sisters also cannot get married.
What I'm saying, sir.
Sir, two sisters also cannot get married.
Okay. Please silent.
Sir.
I don't want you people in my company. Okay, please get out.
Sir, please.
No wonder they don't get placed. Now the placement season is over. Let us catch them in their rooms discussing about the future.
What is this, Vishal? He didn't call me, yaar. I was expecting a call. I told him everything. C, C++, Oracle, VB, everything.
You're a genius, yeah.
I
And
know.
Kalyani, you're looking beautiful that day.
I know.
I know. See, one more thing, in my interview you asked me how, I said, what, I said, when, I said, I said.
Sir, I also told about everything about HPCL and BPCL. I don't
Yeah,
know
why were you fighting that
That
day?
is not fighting.
We were not fighting.
Guys, you want to prove yourself?
Yes.
You want to show the world what you are?
Yes.
You want to prove your management skills?
Yes.
Then I've got an idea.
Wow.
Let's rob a bank. What? I got mad. Wait.
अरे, बावरा हो गया है।
Wait. Let me explain. See, according to marketing principles, there are 4 M's you need to be successful. First, second, material. Third, management skills. And fourth is money. So, man, that we are.
She's woman.
And wait. And what? Materials that we have, the books. Alright.
Yes.
Management skills that we do. And money that we will get through all those 3 M's. Guys, come on. Are you guys with me?
I think this guy has got a valid point. Come on, friend.
Yes, okay, friends.
Yes.
Let's do it, yes.
We'll do it.
But guys, how do we do it? That's the problem.
Listen. Everything has to be started with market research. So, we started with marketing research.
But why market research, yaar?
Arey, market research. Let me tell you. See, you do market research, you know how many banks are there in the city. Or you also come to know which are in the outskirts. And also which are near to your place. And top of all, you come to know how much money do they have.
Yeah. And we'll do it by probability sampling, huh?
But why probability sampling, yaar?
Dumbo, every bank should get the same opportunity of being robbed.
Yes. And then we will analyze the various liabilities of the bank. And after that, more the liability, more the liquidity.
We don't want liquidity, yaar.
Arey, Baba,
money.
Arey, liquidity means more cash. More cash means more money.
And more money means more money.
Hey.
But. See, if we rob a bank tomorrow, then what will be its value after 3 months, yeah? And if we invest the money after 3 months, what would be its present value, yeah?
I get his point. Correct. He's trying to tell we should calculate the net present value, net future value. If we calculate these two values, then we can prepare the cost sheet.
Yeah.
Why don't you prepare the cost sheet?
Current will make it.
Yeah. I will go and prepare the cost sheet.
Okay, go, friends. I was thinking one more thing. We should do something with whether the bank robbing is feasibility or no. You know, we had done that thing. Yeah, what is that? Test of hypothesis. Yeah,
That was in stats, na?
exactly. Every bank should have statistical significant solution of getting robbed.
Yes.
Yes.
That is mu equal to yes.
Yes. Mu greater than.
No, less than.
Greater than.
Arey, less than.
Greater than.
Less than. Hey, wait. You passed it in 5 attempts. I passed in 10 attempts.
Then
So
do.
I know it.
Then do.
Wait,
You do.
I'm doing it.
Okay, one more problem we have. We have 5 people, and there are so many jobs to be done. How do we assign them, yaar?
Hey, I want a simple one job, huh?
Hey, why you fear? Yeah? I'm here. I do. My assignment model. I'll assign every job to you. Okay. Cancel 0. Okay. Bill, you take care of guard.
Yes.
You take care of cashier. You take care of locker. And
Okay.
you take care of alarm. And
Okay.
I'll manage the manager.
Yes.
But I think that how we'll do it?
Arey,
I am thinking this will don't work.
Karan, don't be demotivated, yaar. See, we working as a group, yaar.
Yes.
And always remember that group's motives are always more important than personal motives.
Yes.
Hey, these HR people
I'm
always
motivated.
take over funda, huh? Forget
Hey,
it.
wait. हम होंगे कामयाब, हम होंगे कामयाब, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन। ओ मन में है विश्वास, फ्रंट में है एडवांस, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन। That got me an idea. I got the answer of feasibility. You know, BCCI Bank at Ramnagar Road has the maximum feasibility of getting robbed.
Aha, we'll rob that bank.
Okay. I will check how they are working in the stock markets. 1 minute. Yeah. What are the rates of BCCI Bank? Yeah. Very good. They are doing very well in the stock market. Yes.
Yes, we are going to be rich. Yes.
Hey,
Rob this man.
wait. If you are going to be successful, there are so many people who will be following us. So we need to have a brand name.
Yes.
हम पांच.
नहीं, दिल चाहता है.
No.
No.
You shut up.
Hey, wait. Ocean's 5.
No.
Wait. We are the 5 amigos.
Yes. 5 amigos. Bright guys wherever we go.
Right. So, friend, now we have a brand name. The 5 amigos. The bank rise wherever we go. But one problem. What about the transportation? How do we go,
I
yeah?
made a job simple, yeah. You come by bicycle. You come by scooter and take her. You come by auto rickshaw and I'll come by car. That will reduce the cost.
Okay, fine.
Okay.
So let's go and rob the bank.
Yay.
Friends, finally the day has come. Will they be able to do it? What will be their fate? Will they be able to prove their point? Let's see.
Lights.
Okay. Everyone, no one moves.
Everybody. Everybody. Please, everybody.
Hey, Kurt, go to the locker. Please.
No. Vishal has to go to the locker.
No. Kalyani is supposed to do the locker.
I know.
Who did the assignment model? Who did it?
I got my van, man. I did right.
Arey, VAM is in transportation, yaar. It is not in assignment. What have you done?
Friend, I also want to tell you what I made the cost sheet wrong. What was running into losses?
You idiot. You should have told us earlier.
Sir, even I have to make a confession here.
What?
This bank had no feasibility of getting robbed.
I told you that is mu equal to. It is greater than.
Wait. Not my problem. Who gave me the sample? Who did sampling?
I did it, but I manipulated the data. I had to go to parlor, yeah.
Why?
Arey guys, police!
Police.
So finally our 5 amigos are placed, but unfortunately behind the bars.
Guys, काश मैंने थोड़ी पढ़ाई कर ली थी. Rather than going to parlor every day, this day would not have come in my life.
Friend, साल भर सिर्फ ड्यूटी पड़ा, फिर भी फेल हुआ.
Cars, disco, pub, हसीनाओं के पीछे भागने के बजाय मैंने थोड़ा फाइनेंस अच्छे से पढ़ लिया होता।
काश डबल ट्रिपल स्पेशलाइजेशन के बजाय सिंगल स्पेशलाइजेशन कर लेता।
I just have one thing to say. HR has got no future. Never study HR.